My name is Victoria and I'm not a recorder player. I play piano and I play saxophone, and I'm only learning to play a recorder. And I love series Outlander. There is a beautiful theme tune in Outlander which I had no idea what it was, and when I started learning recorder I was using these abracadabra books and I came across traditional Scottish song. It is called Skyboat Song, and when I started playing it I thought, oh my god, it's the Outlander tune. I really like this tune and I want to share with you how to play it. It has two parts. First part repeats after second part. The first part goes like this. The second part is like a chorus. It goes like this. Let's put it all together again and play.